top video 2. This is some grilled chicken, home style. And this is quick kebab. I know I can make it in like a kebab skewer, but I make it very quick. Okay, you can make it this way as well. The main thing is the recipe that make it tasty and juicy. And this, as you see it, see it here. This is how the chicken look like. Nice, well done, juicy, beautiful color. This is the kebab, and I make it in gas grill. Top video 2 channel. I didn't use the charcoal grill this time. We always use this one, or most of the time, not always. Okay. It's the best way when I grill it and eat it right away. Wow. Really very good. Top video YouTube channel. I'm going to make some recipe for grilling, roasted, braising, and all dishes. Please subscribe, like, and share. And if you need specific dish, put it in the comments, and if I know how I can do it, I will do it. Have a good day.